Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Advanced Math Tutors. Today I wanted to introduce you to integration by parts. Integration by parts is like the product rule of integration, and that it allows you to integrate functions that are multiplied by each other. So we know that if we integrate f of x times g of x with respect to x, this is not equal to the integral of f of x dx times the integral of g of x dx. However, integration by parts does allow us to integrate the multiplication of two functions. It's just not as simple as multiplying the integrals of the functions separately. And so let's get into the derivation. What we have is product rule. So let's start off by just saying what product rule is. The derivative of a function of two functions, u and v, this is equal to u times the derivative of v with respect to x plus v times the derivative of u with respect to x. And now let's just integrate both sides. And so when we do that, we get the integral of the derivative of u times v is dx is equal to the integral of u dv dx plus the integral of v du dx dx. All right. And now if we look at this left-hand integral, we have the integral of the derivative of uv. Well, by the fundamental theorem of calculus, we know that that's uv. And now if we look at this first integral here, we can see that the dx's cancel, and we're just left with u dv, or the integral of u dv. And now if we look at this last integral, again, the dx's cancel, and we are left with the integral of v du. All right, and now let me just bring this integral to the other side, so we're only left with this integral on one side. So we have the integral of u dv. This is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. And here we have the integration by parts formula. And so now, if you were to integrate, say, a function of f of x times g of x dx, you could set u equal to f of x, and then your dv, this would equal g of x dx. And so now you have a nice formula that could solve this. You do have to pick your u and your dv such that your u is easily differentiable, because you're going to have to integrate it in this integral, and you want your dv to be something you can easily integrate twice, because you'll have to integrate it once to get v here, and then you have this other integral where you have to integrate v times du. All right, and this is not an easy decision to make. It definitely takes some intuition, and so next time, In the next video, I will bring you some example problems that hopefully outline the correct decision making in choosing your U and your DV, because it definitely takes some practice. And I will see you in the next video.